Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you the latest ToAuto WMF5 and WMF8 wax melting machine with different capacity to meet all your demand. Those machines come with a lot of advantages. ToAuto WMF5 and 8 wax melting machine faucet come with a heating core and a bottom new design over here which can prevent wax from blocking the faucet. It is very safe to use. It prevents dry burning protection system. When it detects that the bottom temperature reaches the set temperature, it will automatically disconnect the power. It has a powerful capacity. With 4.6 liter capacity, it can carry maximum 8 tons of wax, which can speed up your work. It is also very fast heating. 1 kg of soy wax can be melted in 5 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a precise temperature control from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit temperature stepless adjustment. Those machines are very good and very convenient to use at home, especially if you're a beginner. You can make your own candle with different shape, as you can see, and you can decorate it as much as you like.